Welcome back everyone. Today I've got a really simple but fresh recipe for you. I'm going to be making a frozen Mojito mocktail in the Vibe blender. Well, summer is well and truly here in Australia and it's the time for enjoying really fresh, vibrant drinks. This one has everything you love about a classic mojito without the alcohol as an added bonus. Everything goes into the blender at once and in a matter of seconds, these are ready to serve. So to the blender jug, add 20 fresh mint leaves, 1/4 cup of freshly squeezed lime juice, 1 cup of ginger beer plus extra to fill up the glasses, 2 teaspoons of sugar or maple syrup, and 2 heaped cups of ice. Secure the lid and blend on smoothie mode until the ice is finely crushed and the mint leaves are no longer visible. You want a smooth, slushy consistency. Divide the mixture between 2 glasses, top up with ginger beer and garnish with slices of lime and fresh mint leaves. Next time you're entertaining guests on a hot day, this is the recipe for you. Make a bigger batch to serve more people, sit by the pool and enjoy this really refreshing drink. If you haven't already, then hit subscribe to see more of our Luvele life recipes. If you enjoyed this video today, then give it a like for us and let us know if you make this recipe in the comment section below. We'd love to know what you think of it. We'll see you again really soon with another fresh recipe.